Halo Kokorwo, now konrad sama Dewiong. Bangin to kit nia ya kucing beteng kucing khi tu mane kucing khi be an yau Dewiong hakat thang school area jong Kacente Hills. Badan nulong arak sarkar cela kam dan mata kucing khi Dewiong be an sarkar kadai ban Suspen mado ya baru ki district head jong ka East Kacente Hills, West Kacente Hills, East Kacente Hills, West Kacente Hills but Dewiong district. Nama amla mapia sup yu Dewiong lengba kini ke district klem kecing arab chongki. Atu doni shengat bala wanuku miki bol district berpelat yu Dewiong. Nagaliang chong restu dan song ru lo ong ba ke hai ki plit makin lap di ni caka nama kecinga hidu saw kanta na sulok ba. Kecing kali pa kalong balai pat hawa wan na sulok ba. Kimpat lani kim talasi aidu. Uyo wanjat ba tik tik syaska ka bodai berpoy.
And has taken a decision that we will constitute the Judicial Inquiry Commission as far as this incident that has happened recently, and ultimately we will hand over everything to them. And once the chairman is appointed, I'm very sure they will carry out the investigation or whatever. Right now, we have already gone all out to make sure that those illegal mining activities that what has happened or which is happening till today, we have spent all out of our time to close it down all. We have already directed the district administration to go all out and make sure that all those illegal activities be immediately stopped. That is number one. Then number two again, yes, today, within 10 days time again, we will file our affidavit to the Honorable High Court. And I think right now I will not tell you much because this issue is also lying with the Honorable High Court. So let the Honorable High Court also take whatever necessary steps from their side. Whatever incidents happen, action is taken. I think you must have seen it in the record. We have tried our best. But now, again, this incident that has just happened recently, you knew it well. The interior places. I think from the main road, it takes you, even by 4 wheels, it takes you 3.5 to 4 hours. So you know the topography, the challenges that even the police personnel faced. So therefore, as I said to you, right now, and especially during the winter season, we are going aggressively after the incident happened. And let me tell you one thing, we will continue to do that, especially during this dry season, to make sure that the illegal activities stop. Right now, it's still manageable for the manpower. And very soon, you know well that we are also going to fill up those vacancies that we have, about 3,000 posts in police department. So I'm very sure once this issue is done, we will at least manageable to handle things.